Introducing the NPCL700 Atlas's patented natural potato chips production line. For over 50 years, Atlas International has been a leader in the food production industry, providing cutting-edge patented solutions and world-class international standards. Every batch of natural potatoes begins its journey in the bunker with careful unpacking, destoning, and thorough washing, ensuring purity and quality from the very first step. Our precision peeling system guarantees consistency, while our quality control inspection team ensures only the finest potatoes proceed. After inspection, the potatoes move through the spiral lines to our innovative slicer, slicing potato into ultra-thin flat or wave-shaped crinkle chips, delivering perfection in every cut. The sliced potatoes then move into the blancher for washing to remove excess starch and to optimize texture and color. Our controlled air knife air pressure drying system prepares the slices for the perfect fry and crunch. After drying, potato slices are evenly fried and filtered until they become finely golden and crisp, while our advanced oil filtration system maintains oil purity and consistency. Potato chips then move to color inspection, removing any undesired pieces to ensure only the finest ones move forward to flavoring. After quality inspection, seasoning sprayers coat potato chips evenly as desired, blending the flavors harmoniously with the potato chips. Before reaching consumers, chips portions are precisely weighed and every bag is filled and packed with maximum care to maintain freshness. Atlas International proudly presents its patented natural potato chips line, the NPCL700, with its remarkable production capacity of 700 kilograms per hour, engineered fully with the 304 stainless steel material and electrical consumption of 155 kilowatt only, and over just 600 square meter floor footprint. Atlas International guarantees quality, freshness, and seamless world-class technology since 1977, serving food production and packaging leaders around the globe. Atlas International, redefining food production and packaging with precision since 1977.